It's my turn.
Slide it off here. Ela pode slide nele.
Eu pode me bater. B, that means that the beach is full, right?
Yep, full.
It's the beach full. Cruise ship coming in, Ilya. And about two of them are from the sea. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome. And guys, we're heading to the beach and the cruise ship, they're here. Persons walking up and down. Right, I just showed you a clip of the ocean. About two of them coming people. But we're going to the beach and we're going to enjoy ourselves. It might be a little bit crowded today, but so what, right? So come along with us, guys. We're gonna have lots of fun. Your girl's gonna wet up these braids, guys. I'm gonna wet up them braid here because yeah, we just want to immerse. As immerse, I call it, yeah. They go totally under, submerged. Oh, submerged in the water. Enjoy myself, guys. So that's what we're going to do today. So come along with us, guys. We're going to 7 miles. Yes guys, we're at 7 miles beach, hobby and cool Cairo is ahead. Alright, hi. Wait, alright, getting biggest people. Yes guys, beside them now. Cairo, are you the cool kid? Cairo's a cool kid, guys. Is your brother the cool kid, Cairo? Alright, I said yes. Alright, so Cairo's the cool kid. Oh, a lot of people on this beautiful Sunday is at the beach as expected because it is tomorrow's an holiday and the cruise ships are in, alright? It's white sand. It's okay. We're going over that side instead. Alright, let's go. Yes, guys. The beach full. Alright, guys. Here is the gentlest there and it's so rough.
Yeah, like it's rough now, I just approach it. Alright, let's walk.
Sant Caro. Yeah, but right here is a seem deep. Like it, like that's what I've been deep. Okay. I think so. There's so nice, Leo.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. Caro, stay right here. Alright, so where are you going? Right here? Alright, so we're going in, guys. Carol, don't rush. Take your time. It's not that bad.
It is swim time. Alright, I didn't see you want to swim.
Do you like the water, Carol? Alright. I'm gonna put on the camera, yeah? Alright, come, Carol. I'm gonna put on the camera, then we're coming back together, okay? Yes, me and Carol and I coming back though. So let's not put it. Yes, Carol. It's dangerous by yourself, okay? You have to do it with mommy. Yes. We're going in the beach. You have to wait. Okay, Baba? I will just put him up right here. So we're going together. Yes, together. Yes, guys, tell me someone I love this beach. No, so I came out face dirty. We just come out the water, we had a blast. Alright, I love the water, people, and Carrot too. We're gonna see if we can make them play a little, go in a slides and them something there and have a little bit more fun. You be? It breeze nice, see? Breeze nice. Woo. True island life. This is the island life, guys. This is it. Woo! You're enjoying the slide, Carol? Leo, Carol having fun there. The only thing I have to jump up and down. And if you want, you can go in and have something there, Leo. Carol, you having fun? Woo! Carol loving it, B. Yes, slide. You don't want to slide, Araya?
Slide.
Woo, good job, Carol. Woo! I think that this is good for her, too small.
Yeah.
Might as well put her in a this. And you'll be we'll be extra careful to catch her. Probably halfway like this.
Alright, it's time for you to slide.
You're gonna slide with her?
No.
You can slide with her? Oh, there's another small one.
Come.
Woo! She slide down. Good job. Good job, Mama. You like sliding? You try it again, or you just make sure you warm? Yeah, that is the big man slide. Carol waving. Come, Baba. Good boy. So guys, I'm gonna try this big slide. I'm so scared. Carol, no. The little slide is for Carol. The big one is for big people or big kids. You can slide in this. Leo, me probably try this first. That one look extra scary. This one. Carol, you're not going down this. You break some part of you. Leo, you think you can slide? Yeah. You think you can slide into this? Yeah. So you're sure? Not too big. You're sure? You're sure, B? Put him in there? Alright, Carol. That's dangerous. Carol, slide in this one. Alright? That one too big for me, sir. Do this. Try this one. This one is smaller. Liam, I'm making a nice smaller one. Woo! Good job. It's my turn.
What happened, Matty? Oh shit. Slide it off you. Hell of a slide, Nick.
Yeah, but me, Matty. No, fire, like fire, Leo. Like fire. You have to wait. Oh, thank God. You have to not close to the something here. No. Go, Carol. Be careful. Run, run. Who with it? The people that are around. Leo, me and you must race one true race and see who win. Alright, are you okay? You sure? Ooh, be careful, Araya. Araya's trying to run, guys. Go, Raya, go, Raya, go. Go, Raya, go, Raya, go. Go, Raya, go, Raya, go. Carol, okay? Run, Carol! Run, Carol! Carol, not run, man. Carol, alright? Leo, Carol, like him a limp. Him good? Good job, Carol.
Good job. Good job. Mark, set, go! Start to go home, guys.
Home time. Say bye-bye, beach.
And bye-bye, grass. Bye-bye. Come on, let's run. Let's run. Let's go. Run, 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 run. Good, Carol.
Go, Carol. Run, Carol. Run. You see him bolt fast. Run. Run.